Hi, and welcome to Makeup and Motivation. We are redoing this video because after I recorded the whole thing, I never hit record. I did just come out of work. I work at Ulta and I recorded a video and never hit record on it. So we are going to redo this again. We will be unboxing Ipsy, by the way. It comes in a bag like this. I think next month we should be getting the bags in a box, I think, because Ipsy and BoxyCharm kind of like merged together. So I'm thinking that's how it's going to come, and the little glam bag will still come the same way. So Ipsy bag comes with, what did I get? With with 5 full-size products. I subscribed to Ipsy like 5 years ago. I had a fire 5 years ago and lost everything, and Ipsy was my very first subscription box. It was perfect for me to try new things and get little samples at a very reasonable price, and the samples really lasted me a while. And I used to get like so excited every time I got my little Ipsy bag, because I would have new things to add into my collection and I could start collecting my makeup and seeing what I liked. Anywho, my son saw how excited I was to receive my little Ipsy samples that he subscribed me to BoxyCharm, and I fell in love with BoxyCharm as well. So it's kind of nice to see that they're both merging together, two of my favorite top makeup brands. So that's really nice. So let's start with the unboxing. This is the way the bags come. Now, like I said, next month they won't come in a bag like this anymore. I think they're going to be sending them out like BoxyCharm. So since we did this again, I already know it's in the bag. So the first thing was the Pearly Body Wash, and it's a coconut colada. And let me tell you, this is a body wash, and I opened it already, but we're going to smell it again for you guys. It smells delicious. I wish you guys could smell it. So this is a really nice summery scent, which I like. So I would definitely use this. This is nice for the summer. It's a nice summer scent, and I give that a plus because I will definitely use that. This is Bioma. I have never tried anything by this brand, and this is face moisturizer. So I'm looking forward to trying a new moisturizer. So I would definitely read more up on it. So when I first did the video, that it wasn't recording, it was nice and soft to the skin. So I would like to try it on my skin. And see how that works. It's always nice to find new moisturizers and new brands that you can like and try, because if I like it, I'll buy it again. The third item is lashes. These are pretty. For me, I think they're a little bit too dramatic. I like more of a natural lash. Even though I haven't worn lashes in a while, I do like to pop them on every now and then. So I would just add this to my collection, because if I ever freelance, then I'll have extra lashes to put on clients, right? So I opened this and I broke the box. This is by Tress Loose. I actually tried this brand when it first came out with Ulta. They gave us a free eyeshadow palette. We are very lucky. We get things like every quarterly, we get to try new things. Companies send us gratis to try new things, which is really nice, because when customers come in, we can tell them if we tried it, if we like it, and how it was. So I mentioned this earlier, which my cheeks are glowing. This is a beautiful champagne lip gloss. And I would use this. This is a great shade for the summertime, very nude. You could do a lip liner. I have a lip liner today and like a really light pinkish lip gloss. So this would look really pretty, like with a nice chocolate brown. You put this just a little liner, this in the middle, mix them together, would make a pretty lipstick. And since it's a champagne color, you can, I already put some on there, but I'll put a little bit more. You can put it on the high points of your cheeks, and it'll give you like this beautiful glow in the summer that everyone loves. It'll be like a natural glow. You can put, mix it in with your blush, and it just gives you this beautiful glow. Now I am glowing like the moon right now with all this on. So this is definitely a winner for me. Actually, everything in the bag right now is the winner for me. But I would definitely use a lot of this. I need to reorganize my lipsticks, and I know a lot of them are going in the trash. So I'm really going to need a lot of new lip glosses. My last product is from Anastasia, which is one of my favorites. I do have one now that I'm using, and this is exactly what I use. So this is a brow gel. Right now I use the clear one. So I really am looking forward to using one with tint on it, because I never have. So if I do like it, then I know that I can buy one with tint. So this is really good. I really enjoyed the Ipsy bag. Everything that's in here I did enjoy. I do have to say, this is my first bag. I'm going to subscribe only for 3 months, not because I don't love it, but I would like to try to bring other boxes into my videos. And the only way I will be able to do that is to do it for 2 or 3 months and then change the subscription to something else. Only because I can't afford to bring in different subscription boxes, so I can try different boxes like every 3 months. Unless you guys want me to keep doing Ipsy, then I'll stay with Ipsy. But if you guys have any suggestion of a box that you would like me to bring into the channel, I can consider it after I do a couple months, and then we can switch them over. But anyway, that is the video for the Ipsy. Now, I do have the regular glam bag, and that's really the video I wanted to do today. But I have no idea where it's at. It disappeared, vanished into the thin air. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is the month of March, which is really cute. So we won't be getting these bags anymore. But if you enjoy this subscription, you could tell I'm tired. I've been up since 5 o'clock this morning, and it's very late and I'm exhausted. But if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the little like button and subscribe. And I will see you on the next upload. Bye.